Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is my second part of the vibration issue I had up under the seat and in the center console. Well, I ended up figuring out it was the polyurethane transmission mount. I pulled the polyurethane one off there and I came back and put rubber in. It's got a little bit of shake, but nowhere near what it was. The shake could be from the exhaust, but the polyurethane mount definitely ended up being my problem. So I went ahead and changed that out. So that made a huge difference. Yeah, it feels normal now. I don't feel good vibrations. There we go. Let's wake these motherfuckers up over here. But you see how she's running? She's running like a champ now. Ain't nothing wrong with her. Idling at 1,000. Julio, you're wrong about spark plugs. I haven't changed spark plugs yet, but I'm gonna do it. In this car, it's a bitch to get to the plugs. So I've changed the seats. I gotta finish up my door panels there and put my other pieces on. Got a few things, but I figured I'd show you real quick how it's popping, how it's turning out. It's starting to look good. It's starting to come together. So I figured I'd show you, don't go polyurethane. Vibrations from hell, you don't want it. You guys have an awesome week. Keep working on these FBodies. Rock and roll.